Hello, my name is Christian Lavareda, Global Product Manager at Syntegon for Processing Technology. And I'm very excited to be talking to you today from Frankfurt, ACHEMA, where we're launching the new modular bioprocessing platform to address specifically the most pressing challenges in the industry today. We have several benefits that we'd like to show you today with this interactive digital display. Please come along. We are showing a brand new innovative design where we have taken everything from the clean room that doesn't need to be there and put it in a non-classified technical space, completely redefining the maintenance concept of the unit. It is not necessary anymore to gown up, to enter into the clean room space to do the routine maintenance operations. Everything can be done conveniently outside of the clean room. In addition, we have thought about everything that can be automated is automated on this platform. Everything for cleaning in place protocols to filter integrity testing, everything is performed automatically on this platform. But we didn't stop there. What we thought about we would do next is think about, once you have the cleaned up space in the clean room, how can you make things like hygienic design and aseptic processing even more complete with a thorough design. And what we have done is we have taken all of the cabling and all of the tubing and all of the what is typically called a spaghetti in the pharmaceutical manufacturing space, and we have taken that out of the system. We use the ducting in the platform either vertically or horizontally to embed all of the cabling in the frame to free up space and declutter the entire setup. Once you have that, you even have the option of improving on the ergonomics of the system as well. You have, for instance, the ability to access every single component that needs routine contact by the operator directly accessible in the system. For instance, after climbing on the platform for access, the filter exchanges, the cartridges are already accessible at waist level for the operators. So every aspect that can be optimized in a system like this has been addressed in the modular bioprocessing platform. But of course, having produced an active biologic drug substance, that also needs to be harvested. This is only half of the equation. Our platform includes the exact same modular, clean, excellent design approach for all harvesting needs, depending on whether you have a product that is secreted from the cell into suspension, whether you have a product that needs lysing of the cell, whether you have a product that is made and captured in inclusion bodies that need to be dissolved before you can harvest it, whether it is centrifugation, diafiltration, or a combination of the various unit operations for recovering your product, everything is an accessible, selectable module in our configure-to-order solution. So this is established processes but executed with impeccable hygienic design, specifically for the aseptic standards of modern biopharmaceutical manufacturing. If there is one thing that I would like our audience to remember from this, is that we are bringing a new standard of excellence in pharmaceutical design to upstream bioprocessing. This is now available from Syntegon. It is called the Modular Bioprocessing Platform. Thank you very much for your time. We are including a QR code that will take you to the press release launch of the product, where you can also download the brochure for additional information. Thank you.